Bonjour à tous. I'm so happy to be here with you today. So this is a class for the francophone, people who would like to learn French. And I am right here for my cuisine, my French cuisine. So I'm so excited to start with you for the month of September for now. And today I'd like to talk about stay healthy, how to stay healthy, right? It's very important to, to feel good, and this starts with your health. Okay, so we're gonna learn. That's gonna be the theme of today, and we're going to learn a few French words. Okay, so I'm gonna show you while I'm cooking. I just coupé des carottes, as you can see. So just remember, be with me. Don't worry what language I'm speaking. You just go with the move, okay? The groove as well. So, les carottes, l'oignon et l'ail, okay? So, j'ai coupé, I already did, right? J'ai coupé, past tense, yes? Voilà. Et je vais préparer aussi des poissons, as you guys can see, poissons de la Méditerranée, okay? That's where it comes from. Le sud de la France, South of France, une tomate que je vais couper et du citron pour mettre sur le poisson. Voilà. Ensuite, je vais préparer des pommes de terre. So try to guess, I already cut it. What is pomme de terre? Okay, looks like what, right? Pomme, you might know in French is apple. So it's something that looks like the shape of apple. And then terre is from the ground, right? So we call it pomme de terre. Voilà. Well, that's going to be today lunch. So I want to say santé to you with un jus de carotte. The same thing as this, actually, right? I made it in the mixer. Jus de carotte. Santé et à bientôt. I'll see you soon. Au revoir.